Ever feel like your money is playing a game of hide and seek, and you're always the one searching? You know it's somewhere, but tracking it all down feels like a full-time job. That's where budgeting apps like PocketGuard come in, promising to wrangle your finances and bring order to the chaos. But a big question mark often hangs over these apps. Is it safe to connect your bank account? It's a valid concern. After all, your bank account is the heart of your financial life. The thought of linking it to a third-party app can feel a bit like handing over the keys to your kingdom. So, let's dive into this crucial question. Is it safe to connect your bank account to PocketGuard? The short answer is, generally, yes, but with some important caveats. PocketGuard, like many reputable financial apps, employs several security measures to protect your data. They use bank-level encryption, which means your financial information is scrambled and protected from prying eyes as it travels between your bank and PocketGuard servers. This is the same type of security your bank uses, so it's a pretty strong shield. PocketGuard also uses read-only access to your bank accounts. This is a crucial point. Read-only access means PocketGuard can see your transactions and balances, but it can't do anything with your money. It can't transfer funds, make payments, or change your account details. Think of it like giving someone a pair of binoculars to look at your house, but not the keys to get inside. They can observe, but they can't interfere. Another layer of security comes from the fact that PocketGuard doesn't store your actual bank login credentials. Instead, they use a secure token system. This means that even if someone were to somehow breach PocketGuard systems, they wouldn't find your username and password. It's like having a digital keycard that only works within the PocketGuard system. So, with all these security measures in place, why the generally and not a resounding absolutely? Well, no system is completely impenetrable. While PocketGuard takes significant steps to protect your data, there's always a theoretical risk, however small, of a data breach. This is true for any online service, including your bank itself. Think of it like locking your front door. It deters most intruders, but a determined thief might still find a way in. Another factor to consider is the reputation of the company behind the app. PocketGuard has been around for a while and has a generally positive track record. They haven't been involved in any major data breaches, which is a good sign. However, it's always wise to do your own research and read reviews before entrusting any company with your financial data. Beyond the technical security, it's also important to practice good digital hygiene yourself. Use a strong and unique password for your PocketGuard account and enable two-factor authentication if available. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a code from your phone or another device in addition to your password. Finally, regularly monitor your bank accounts for any unauthorized activity, regardless of whether you use a budgeting app or not. This is a good practice for everyone, as it allows you to catch any potential problems early on. Connecting your bank account to a budgeting app like PocketGuard can be a powerful tool for managing your finances. It can give you a clear overview of your spending, help you create a budget, and even track your progress towards your financial goals. While there's always a small element of risk involved in sharing your financial information online, PocketGuard security measures and read-only access significantly minimize that risk. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to connect your bank account is a personal one. Weigh the benefits against the potential risks, do your research, and make an informed choice that you're comfortable with. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.